Hey there, everybody. This is Jose. Just wanted to try and see if I can clean my shoes. I fell in a mud hole, and my shoes got pretty muddy. So I wanna. Here you can see them. It's mainly mud. So I wanna let you know that there's no. Other than that, they were pretty clean beforehand. There were no grease stains. There was nothing really major on the shoes, just in regular wear and tear. They're fairly new. So I'm gonna throw them in the washer just like this. See what happens, and if they get ruined, I'll be sad because they're really comfy, but I'll only be out 20 bucks. So if they come out clean, that'll be beautiful. And what I'm gonna do, I have one of those regular, those high efficiency washers. It's a Maytag. I don't really know the model number, but I'm gonna put it on just on cool wash, medium soil, normal wash, extra rinse. I'm not going to use fabric softener, so I'm going to turn that off. I'm also throwing my socks there because they got dirty as well. So that's about all I have in this wash. So I put already the detergent here in the detergent compartment. As you can tell, there's no fabric softener. And I'm just going to push start here. And we'll wait and see how they come out on the other side. All right, the cycle is done, so let's take a look and see how they come out. Well, they look pretty clean. Now, there's a couple of spots there, but nothing major. Something that I can probably do with a little brush. They actually they look really well. Even the shoelaces came out okay. Let's look at this other one. Same thing, other than this couple of spots that I can probably do with a brush. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them out in the sun to dry, and we'll see the finished product in a few hours. Alright, so these shoes have been air drying here for a couple of for a few hours actually, and they look pretty dry. They look really nice. They look really dry. And I'm going to put them on, see how they feel. Sometimes after you wash stuff, you kind of feel cramped and want to put them on. All right, well, this is it for this video, and if you like what you saw, don't forget to subscribe. I'd love to hear your comments at the bottom, and I'll have more videos coming up on random things that I do around the house. All right, talk to you later. Bye.